many shares would you need to make $500 per month from QQQ's dividend or any high-yielding ETF? Well, first of all, QQQ is not a high-yielding ETF. They're more tech-focused, which means that they're going to have higher growth and a smaller dividend. But I'll show you just for an example. By the way, go right here if you want to learn how to invest for free. Click on the menu and you'll find all these resources. They're completely free. Okay, so here is QQQ, and you can see right here that their dividend is 0.59%. It's very, very small, but they will give you $217 per year if you have 100 shares, but that's going to cost you like 46,000 bucks. Let's look at QQQM instead. It is the exact same thing from the exact same company, but it's considerably more affordable per share. And they have a smaller expense ratio, and their dividend is roughly the same, 0.69%. Their dividend pays quarterly, but you want $500 per month, so we're going to take 129 and divide it by 12. 129 divided by 12, you would earn around 10 cents per month. You want to make $500 per month, you would divide it by the monthly dividend, and you would need 4,651 shares times 192, so times 192, and it would cost you $893,000. That's no good. Let's look at SPHD instead. It is a high dividend, low volatility, monthly dividend ETF. SPHD, $47 per share. It pays around 3.85% or $1.83 per year. This number will kind of fluctuate, and you can see here that their last dividend payment was around 14 cents. Let's go off that number. You want $500 per month divided by 14 cents. You'll need 3,571 shares times, let's just keep it easy, 47. It's going to cost you $167,857. Remember, investing takes time, so you look at these numbers. 167, I don't have that much money. Relax. The whole idea with compound investing is slowly, over time, you add to your investments however much you can afford, and eventually, one day, you just might have 3,500 shares in a company that pays you $500 per month. All right, make sure you smash that follow. Thanks for watching. See you later.